Hey, what's good, man? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mac, and we checking back in with another great video. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Before we get started, you already know I got to give a huge shout out to all my subscribers, all the supporters, and just anybody who support the content that I'm putting out. So thank y'all. Today, we, as always, man, we do dope on feats on this channel, and today we're gonna be taking a look at the Dmp Sixes. As you can tell by the box, you already know what these are. These dropped last Saturday. Pretty much everybody got a pair. If you did not get a pair, either you didn't want them or you just didn't try hard enough. It was enough pairs of these to go around for everybody. So there's a lot of videos out on this sneaker already. So I'm not gonna go into too many details. I never really do anyway, but I'm just gonna give my opinion and give a quick overview, and then we're gonna get into the on feet, if that's cool with y'all. So, as you can tell by the box, man, like I love the box. Before we get into the sneaker, I love when Jordan Brand does extra stuff like this. It's small details for me personally that I appreciate. So this box is hella dope right here. My size 11.5. I really wear 12, but I can fit an 11.5 as well. But here is the shoe, man. I literally just got these in the mail like 5 minutes ago. So just looking at them and just examining them from the first look, the quality looks great. To me, it's the same quality as the infrared Sixes that came out last year. The same soft material, so I'm definitely happy with this purchase. You can see the little dog tag right here. And like I said, man, everybody has done a review on these. It was a lot of early reviews, but I'm just giving you my opinion, my perspective, and my on feet. So my opinion, man, like I said, great sneaker, classic shoe. It was definitely on my radar. It's definitely gonna be one of the top sneakers of 2020, unless like some other crazy heat comes out. This is definitely gonna be in my top 10 of 2020. This has been a shoe that I've wanted for a while. These dropped back in 2009, 2010. I don't know when these came out, but they came out in a pack with the 11s. Everybody knows that, but the prices on these were crazy. So I'm definitely glad that they re-dropped these and gave people like me a chance to scoop these up. One thing, I will say is that I kind of wish they would have dropped these like later on in the year. They dropped these around spring in the summertime. It's April, man. So, this is not really an April or springtime shoe in my opinion. Maybe, I'll pull these out later on in the year, but I thought it would have been a better drop if they came out later on in the year. Maybe like a Black Friday release or something like that. But that's my opinion. You gotta complain about something. But other than that, man, it's really not much to talk about. Hopefully everybody that got their pair wanted it. And if you didn't get them, you can just try, buy them secondhand from somebody else. But I'm very satisfied with this sneaker, and I was very excited to cop these. So no more talking. We're just gonna go ahead and jump straight into the on feet. Let's go ahead and check that out. checking back in, I just showed y'all what the Dmp Sixes look like on feet. And as usual with all my videos, I gave you guys different looks with different jeans just to kind of help you out and let you see what jeans look the best with this sneaker. So I thought I did a great job. I want to know what you guys thought, so leave your comments and let me know what you thought about the on feet shots that I just gave you. My final thoughts on this sneaker is that I love the way that Jordan Brand handled this release as far as the quality. Everybody that I know that picked up this shoe, their quality was nice on their pair. They had no complaints, and I had no complaints about my quality either. Also, another thing that I like is the fact that everybody who wanted the sneaker ended up getting them. They made this sneaker available to everybody. And like I said, if you didn't pick these up, it's probably because you didn't want them or you just didn't try. So I'm very, very satisfied with this release. And like I said, this is one of the top releases of the year. Definitely in my top 10 and then maybe in my top 5, depending on what else comes out. And I'm a big fan of Sixes, so I was very, very excited to rock these and to see how great they look on feet. Although I'm not gonna wear them anytime soon, it just gets me excited to know how nice these look on feet. So I'll probably pull these joints out in the fall if we're able to go outside in the fall. Definitely a fall sneaker in my opinion. So yeah, man, that is pretty much it. Go ahead and get up out of here, man. I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully everybody who wanted that pair got them. And if you didn't, hopefully you'll be able to pick them up soon. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the on feet, and I'll see y'all in the next video.